This morning, I just wanted to go over a few things with you on what I'm expecting on the rough draft of your paper. So I'm going to start out here as you're logged in here. You'll see home over here on the side, but I want you to click on the modules. And hopefully you've been doing this anyway, and you can see all the information that's available here. And we're actually in module 2 now. And obviously I'd like you to click through all these links, but the one I'm going to point out this morning is the revision requirements. And if you'll click on that, you're going to see that it's going to give us a lot of information that's going to help you to make improvements to your essay. And I'm not going to go through this word for word. You'll need to take the time to do that. But it is going to be very important that you do these things to your rough draft and then you make the appropriate changes based on the things I've asked you to mark in your papers. So if you take a look here, you'll highlight the first word of each sentence and then analyze that for repetition. Take a look at number 2, avoid weak structure such as it is, it was, there are, or there were. They're not descriptive in nature, so cross those out in your rough draft and then remove them. So when you remove them, you may have to make some changes to your final copy. For example, it was July 8th, 1998 at 2:47 a.m. in the morning. My wife Erica had just given birth to our first child, Maggie. In order to get rid of the it was, I have to restructure the sentence. And I've revised it after 21 grueling hours of labor and anticipation. My wife Eric and I welcomed our first child into the world at 2:47 a.m. on July 8th, 1998. You can see that gets rid of what we call a dummy structure because it really doesn't tell us much about other than something exists. As we go on down through here, you're going to see there are other things I want you to highlight. There are things that I want you to remove. I want you to cross out, and things I want you to look for and watch out for as you go through. So make sure that you uh, take specific note of the revision requirements that are here. And then I'm going to give you an example in another video of how that works. I'm going to give you an example, and then we're going to go from there.